for Brightline, having some very, very good first impressions. Track is very smooth. The train is doing a great job. It feels very good. You can tell this is well maintained right away. And what I like the most is this is passenger service back on the Florida East Coast. See, I did a lot of my growing up in Florida, went to high school there, went to most of middle school there as well. And for all that time, never rode on the Florida East Coast. And why is that? Because it had not seen passenger service since 1963 when its unions went on strike. And that curtailed all the passenger trains they were operating, including the through trains of the Atlantic coastline. Now, for a period of time after 1963, they ran some Jacksonville-Miami trains that were required by the franchise, but once that obligation went away, those trains went away, and the Florida East Coast was freight only. Now, Brightline is here, operating on their right-of-way up the Florida coast from Miami, to the junction with the new portion of their right-of-way over to Orlando. So it's great to be here, and to think that years ago the Champion, the Dixie Flagler, and so forth used to follow this same path. Now, as far as the cars, same cars that we rode up in Milwaukee, between Chicago and Milwaukee on the Hiawatha, same engines, the SC44, which I think here on Brightline are SC40B, but basically the same locomotive. Staff is very good. The food is good, although it's expensive. So I paid $20 for a turkey club, potato chips, and a small soda. At that rate, might as well just go ahead and get the full $109 ticket because it's included there. Seats are probably not the best. They're not bad, but they're not the best. You can't recline, although the train is well kept. It's clean. And I'd also like to point out the bathrooms. The bathrooms are always a sticky situation on trains. But so far, Brightline has done a great job, and I like the fact that once you leave, it flushes automatically. You just went in there to wash my hands and flushes automatically. That's for a lot of those of you who do not keep the train bathrooms as clean as your own. Shame on you for that, by the way. But we'll share some more impressions with you after we get on the next portion of the trip.